Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I do appreciate your support. Hey, okay, what are we gonna do today? Now our friends over at VSeeBox USA, an official VSeeBox USA distributor, sent us over the all-new, just released V3 Pro box. We're gonna go and get this tested, and I'm gonna give you my views on it. Now, even though they sent this box to me for free, they know my rules. Like, all of them know my rules. That I can say whatever I want, and I usually do say whatever I want, and it kind of gets me in trouble sometimes, but I say it anyways. I will see how the box performs. If it's not worth your time, I'll tell you all it's not worth it. They have no prior approval on any part of my videos or what I say. Now, we will possibly be giving this box away since, it was free. Hey, but as always, go ahead and check our website for any active giveaways. The link will be in the description for you. Hey, so keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and break this down and give you an actual effective watch time is, okay? Payback time. I'll have that for you shortly because you won't wanna miss it. And remember to subscribe and like to help me out. Now, the newest for 2023 VSeeBox lineup is this highly anticipated V3 Pro. Now, if you look at their website, now they say it gets over 1,300 live channels, gets over 13,000 movies and TV shows, no monthly payments, 5-minute installation, stable service, always up 99% of the time from 2015 to now, and a solid 25 plus servers, less buffering and freezing. You need a stable internet though. You also get 100% satisfaction guarantee. What is the VC V3 Pro? Boy, I say that 3 times fast. Comes VSeeBox V3 Pro, VSeeBox V. Okay, you get it. Now it comes with the upgraded 4GB RAM and the 64GB storage with the Wi-Fi 6 module. It also supports the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Everything a streamer needs in a box. Now let's go and see what you get. Now this box has changed in the original look. It has kind of a wave top on it, kind of cut into it. It actually looks really nice. It's larger than the previous models. The remote is still too large in my opinion, but so be it. Anyways, let's go ahead and hook it up and see what we get and if there's any improvements. And what comes in the box is the standard stuff. You get a power cord, you get an HDMI cable, the remote control, and the box. Now on the back, it does have the Ethernet port. It has a 2.0 USB, a 3.0 USB. It has the HDMI port, and it has an SD card, has the AV and the power. And it's all on the back now. It isn't on the sides too. I like this. All the cables running out the back. Now it goes through the initial startup, which I'm not gonna bore you with because it's just a lot of time getting to it. Now, once it is ready, it comes with the home page with the Android type layout. And if I said it before, I will say it again. I like a clean interface. Okay, let's go ahead and hit up Contact Us. As you can see, it comes up with all the scan codes for you, so you can, if you need any help, tech support in any way. VSeeBox has been really good at this, and I like VSeeBoxes, guys. Let's go ahead and get out of this again. You can download the Analytics. It's on there actually from them. I just hit the download on it. You can download Firefox. They have the movie players and so forth. You do have a marketplace where you're gonna be able to get different downloads, for your. They do have the marketplace here, kind of like the other ones. It has, like media players and so forth. Nova, it has. I really like Nova. But it has a third-party app stores, the VPNs, the fast checks. You know, it's kind of has everything that VC is known for. Let's go and get out of that. You have Google Play Store. It has Prime Video. Netflix, you're only going to be, you know, at the most 1080p, but most likely you're going to be in the 480 because that's just the way Netflix works on these boxes. On this type of box, I should say. It does have YouTube, Disney Plus, file browser, Mirrorcast. I do like Mirrorcast, as you know, because I do bounce a lot of signals everywhere. So settings, it has actual network settings there. You go sound and display, common. Let's take a look at common. See, it has all this. You have factory reset. Sound display, we'll go and look at it. Has all these and has audio pass-through, pass-through mode, so forth and about. Okay, with the V3 Pro, you're looking at a RAM of 4 gig. Remember I said I wouldn't even buy a fully loaded box like these. Okay, you know what I'm talking about when I say fully loaded. That was not 4 gigabyte or more. You know, a lot of people say that, well, that doesn't mean anything. It does. Trust me, it does. It will help your buffering. It helps about everything that's in here. As long as you have a decent component, as long as it's good hardware. Which, if you remember, I broke actually I broke 2 of these apart. You're looking at their proprietary software, which is Heat, Heat Live, Heat VOD, Heat Ultra, backup by Heat. Come down here, you got launcher settings, you got actual system settings. Let's go ahead and jump into system settings real quick. Let's go and go to device preferences, kind of gives us info on that. You have a factory reset here, status, legal information. It's running on Android 11. So that's not bad. Let's go down to storage. And you're looking at 64 gigabyte storage, which that's pretty good. Usually they come with a 32 gig box, but you know, 4 gig memory and 64 storage. So that I like. Has Google Assistant, screensaver, energy saver, locations, accessibilities, restart if you need to. Has app groups, you got parental settings, startup app. This is always nice. I always tell you this. Like when you start up the box every morning or whatever, when you get up, it'll go to like the program you set for it. So it's kind of nice to have that. I like that. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the hotkeys, what you can do with the remote. Your red, green, yellow, and blue buttons on your remote control, you can set these to do whatever you want. Let's go red. And we will have it go to YouTube. As you can see, it changed there, start on app YouTube. Green, you can go to whatever else, you know, so you can set these however you like. So if we go back to this and let's go ahead and hit the red button real quick, and it takes us into YouTube. Just fast buttons. It goes with, you already have a YouTube button, quick button on there already. Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Plus on the remote. Now, memory cleanup, I like this. So you have, we're gonna go to what it has here. Let's go ahead and go down. I'm just gonna go right through it like that. Okay, and you go to my account, my favorites, info, lock. You can put passwords in there. That's always nice to do. Let's go ahead and go back up to channel. There is 2,031 channels right there. And they do play pretty darn good. 24/7s, you know, as you can see, I'm just gonna run it down. All right, let's go and get out of this. Okay, this is what the Heat VOD looks like. I can't show you over there, but if you can see all, it has 43,073. And you can kind of go down through here and see all the genres. Now you can go up here to search, you can go to filter, you can go over here, 2023, you know, has a pretty good setup for this. I kind of like this part. Okay, let's go ahead and get over here, same type of setup. There is 11,799, so we'll just round it up to 11,800. Another, it has all kinds of stuff in it. But yeah, it's normal stuff. Now you got history, you got help, you have just some splash screens. They put that there for whatever. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get out of this, and what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go over what I think about the box, the pros and cons, what I don't like, what I do like, you know, then you can choose for yourself. Okay, let's go ahead and get out of this. Now my take on this, I get a lot of comments about the pricing on these things. With what the average cable user pays every month, you're looking at an effective wash time, payback time of about 1.5 to 2 months. Now look, I've had these boxes that have been running for years, ever since they came out with this concept. So I think you will be in the bonus time for a long time. Hey guys, if you're still watching, first, thank you very much. And maybe you could go ahead and click on that like button. You know, the one with the thumbs up. Now, I sure appreciate my supporters that do that for me. I think you're great. Now, also let me know that you've watched this far by commenting or telling me a joke or something. Remember, I read every comment every morning. Now, I love it when I come across the one-liners and the dad jokes. Nothing like starting off the day with a smile. For all of you too. Okay, my take on this. Honestly, I like the box. I believe it's a quality box. Now, I didn't have any buffering or anything like that with the services, but I think they could offer more in the apps area. What they did have, it played very well. Now, I do like the 4 gig RAM and the 64 gigabyte storage. I didn't like the wireless Wi-Fi all that much, but again, I was over 200 feet away from the router, so, and it doesn't have the pop-up antennas, which is fine too. I'm not a big fan of the antennas. But all in all, it does perform good or better than most loaded boxes on the market. And I feel you'll be happy with the V3 Pro. Hey, I appreciate you all watching. Be sure to check our website for any active giveaways. Hey, thanks for all your support, and I'll see you on the next one. Well, you know, until next time. Yeah. Have a great day, everyone. And remember to comment, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. I appreciate it. You're good people.